like algebraic superscripts, another aspect of algebra is algebraic subscripts. Algebraic subscripts is a branch of algebra that is primarily focused on positional digits and radix, just like number-based system. Algebraic subscripts has three forms, such as 1. A base A is equal to A. 2. A B base A is equal to A square plus B. 3. B A base A is equal to A bracket B plus 1. How do we arrive at this result? Check this out. Now let's start with number 1. For number 1, we have A base A. Now to start with, just like what we do in number system, how we convert a number from another base to base 10. So we're going to place a digit of 0 as an index of 0 rather to the top of this positional digit, and this will be this A raised to power 0 times this A. This will give us 1 times A, and that will give us A, because any number raised to power 0 will be 1. So number 2, AB base A will be, you put 0 here, you put 1 here, so this will be A raised to power 1 times this A raised to power 1 times this A plus this A raised to power 0 times this B, and this will give us A times A will give us A squared plus this is 1 times B, and this will give us B, and that will be the result for that. For number 3, we have B A base A. This is the same thing as putting an index of 0 and 1 here. So this will be this A raised to power this 1 times B. Then this A raised to power 0, this A raised to power 0 times A. So this will be AB plus anything raised to power 0 is 1, and 1 times A is A. So this will give us A B plus 1, just like this. So that's how we got the result. You have to know that AB base A simply means this A is called positional digits, and this is just a digit, while this A is called radix, or you can call it base number. So this whole expression is known as algebraic subscripts. This is called algebraic subscripts. It is called subscript because of the base or the radix number. So this can also be expressed as AB base A or AB base A. One important thing you should know is that algebraic subscript does not conform to the law of commutativity that binds two operands together using addition and multiplication operators, such as AB is not the same thing as BA. It will definitely give you different results because of the radix. Since this has been established, let's take one or two simple algebraic subscript questions. For instance, if we have x, x, x with radix x, which is equal to 2 plus x raised to power 3 with radix x, and you have to find x. Now, to start with this, we say solution. Now, this x has to be put together as one entity. So, we're going to start by numbering this from 0 from the right hand side to the left hand side, as does. You say 0, 1, 2 with a radius of x. Then this will be 2. 2 has no radix, so we leave it. So this will be 0 base hex or radius x. To start with this, you take this x here, raised to power this 2, multiply by this x, that's 1, plus, you take this x again, raised to power this 1, multiply by this x, you take this x again, raised to power this 0, multiply by this x, then is equal to 2 plus this x raised to power 0 multiplied by s cubed. That's the first step. Then the second step is to multiply everything together. So this will be, this time this will give us x cubed plus this will give us x squared plus this will give us x, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times x is x, which is equal to 2 plus s cubed. So we have this equation. Now, the next step is to look at this number and this number. So you can see that they will cancel out because they are at the opposite side of the equality sign. So this will give us x squared plus x, which is equal to 2. This is a quadratic equation. So this will be solved quadratically by bringing this 2 to this place equal to 0. And this expression will give us x squared minus x plus 2x minus 2, which is equal to 0 using factorization method. So this will give us x is common, x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So this and this are the same, just like a normal factorization method in quadratic equation. So we have x plus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0, and x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. And our x will be equal to minus 2, or x is equal to 1. So that will be the result of x.